Welcome to Review Lab. The best rear view camera is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your truck, enhancing both safety and convenience. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of rear view cameras, exploring the top contenders on the market. We'll examine their features, performance, and ease of installation, helping you find the perfect camera to fit your needs and budget, ensuring you can navigate any situation with confidence. Number 5. eRapta ERT01 Backup Camera for Car, Truck, SUV. This is the eRapta ERT01 backup camera, designed for a wide range of vehicles. It's perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs, making reversing safer and easier. This camera is a great choice for your vehicle. Before you install, make sure your vehicle uses a CVBS signal. If you're not sure, check with your vehicle supplier. This will ensure the camera works correctly with your display. Installation is straightforward. You just need to connect the camera to your reversing light and then to your display using the included cable. The complete accessories save you time. The camera provides a clear image with its 6 glass lenses and upgraded chip. It also has 10 LED lights for excellent night vision. This helps you see clearly in low light conditions. The camera is built to last with its IP69K waterproof rating. It's made of durable materials to withstand the elements. You can rely on it in various weather conditions. It comes with 2 brackets for easy installation behind your license plate. Additional brackets are also provided for other mounting options. This allows for flexible and easy installation. What we like. This camera provides a crystal clear image, ensuring you see everything behind you. It's also IP69K waterproof, so it can withstand any weather condition. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install backup camera, this is a great choice. What people say. The camera has a wide viewing angle, making it easy to see everything behind the truck. The installation process was straightforward, and the instructions were clear. The image quality is excellent, even in low-light conditions. Number 4. REDTIGER F7 NP4K Dashcam. This dashcam records in stunning 4K for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. It uses a wide-angle lens to capture everything happening on the road, providing clear and reliable evidence, day or night. This is perfect for any driver. Equipped with the advanced Starvis 2 sensor, this camera delivers clear footage in any lighting condition. The WDR and HDR technology balances highlights and shadows. This ensures sharp night vision and crisp details, providing enhanced safety. Connect to the built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast downloads. Using the app, you can preview, download, and replay videos in real time. You can also check GPS data and manage settings easily. This car camera supports loop recording, ensuring continuous coverage. It comes with a free memory card, giving you plenty of space for your recordings. Important events are safely locked. Enjoy round-the-clock protection with 2 parking modes. The G sensor automatically locks important clips. This ensures crucial evidence is preserved even while parked. It uses a supercapacitor for safer performance and a longer lifespan. It's backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive customer support. This is ideal for hot climates and long parking hours. Always use the original or recommended accessories for safe performance. Follow the installation steps in the user manual. Avoid exposing it to high temperatures for long periods. What we like. This dashcam records in stunning 4K, capturing every detail of your drive. With the advanced Starvis 2 sensor, it delivers clear footage day and night. If you are a rideshare driver or someone who wants to record the road, this dashcam is perfect for you. What people say. The camera has a wide viewing angle, making it easy to see everything behind the truck. The installation was straightforward, and the instructions were clear. The image quality is excellent, even in low-light conditions. Number 3. WOLFBOX G840S12 4K Mirror Dashcam. This dashcam offers stunning detail with its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The large 12-inch display provides a wider view, reducing blind spots for safer driving. With the included GPS antenna, you can see real-time data directly on the dash cam. Connect to your phone via Wi-Fi to view recordings, playback videos, and share them quickly using the WOLFBOX app. The camera features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, minimizing blind spots. The smart split-screen function lets you monitor both views at once, and the curved screen blends seamlessly with your car's interior. The G840S has an upgraded LCD to reduce daytime reflections. It uses WDR and HDR technology for balanced lighting and a professional sensor with a 6-glass lens for excellent image quality, making night driving easier. Besides on-the-road safety, this camera also offers a 24-hour parking monitor. It uses time-lapse mode to record while parked, ensuring your vehicle is always under surveillance. A hardware kit is needed for this feature. WOLFBOX provides attentive customer service to help with any issues. The rearview mirror dash cam comes with a 12-month guarantee. Remember to use original accessories for the best performance and warranty coverage. What we like. This mirror dash cam offers a massive 12 display, reducing blind spots significantly. It also has built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for easy data access. If you like a large display and want to track your routes, consider this. What people say. The camera has a wide viewing angle, making it easy to see everything behind the truck. Installation was straightforward, and the instructions were clear. The image quality is excellent, even in low-light conditions. Number 2. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dash Cam. This dash cam captures your drive in stunning 4K resolution. It features a wide-angle view for both front and rear cameras, ensuring you don't miss a thing. The enhanced night vision provides clear recordings, day or night. The F7N Touch offers voice commands for hands-free control. It also has a smart touchscreen for easy access to features. Multiple control methods are integrated for your convenience. Connect to the dash cam via the REDTIGER Cam app on your smartphone. You can enjoy faster download speeds and share your driving experiences in real time. The built-in GPS provides traceable location and speed information. This dash cam automatically overwrites old footage with loop recording. The built-in G-sensor detects impacts and locks the footage. This ensures important events are saved and protected. The car dashboard camera offers G-sensor parking mode to record when collisions are detected. Time-lapse parking mode provides continuous surveillance. Please note, a hardware kit is required for this function. Installation is simple with the included suction cup and pry tool. REDTIGER provides an 18-month guarantee and 24/7 customer support. Drive with peace of mind, knowing that we've got you covered. What we like. This dash cam features voice control, allowing for hands-free operation. It also has a smart touchscreen and comes with a 128 GB card. If you want a dash cam with multiple control methods, this is a great choice. What people say. The rear camera was installed in less than an hour. The video is great when playing from a computer. 4K all around, and a player you get from the website even has a zoom feature. The cameras provide clear high-resolution pictures. The camera menu lots of choices for customizing to preferences. The Wi-Fi was easy to connect to view video on my phone. With the OBD wiring, installation of the front camera took 10 minutes. The rear camera wiring took about 20 minutes but was easily tucked into the interior headliner seams, much easier than anticipated. The camera turns on automatically when the car is started and changes to parking mode when the car is off. The voice commands work well, but patience is the key since there is a bit of a delay. Give it time to implement the command. Number 1. AUTO-VOX 51080p Solar Wireless Backup Camera. Tired of complicated installations? This backup camera is designed for a quick and easy setup. You can install it in just 2 minutes, saving you time and money. Experience a strong and stable connection with this camera's advanced digital receiver. It provides seamless, lag-free images, ensuring you see everything clearly without any interference. See every detail with the crystal-clear 1080p monitor. Whether it's day or night, this camera delivers vivid, true-to-life images, making parking and reversing a breeze. Enjoy long-lasting power with the upgraded 5000 mAh battery. It can last for months on a single charge, and the solar panel assists in keeping it powered up. You can easily reactivate the image whenever you need it. This camera system allows you to monitor multiple angles with its split-screen feature. Install it on the front, rear, or sides of your vehicle for a comprehensive view, perfect for any situation. No matter the weather, this camera is built to withstand it. With its top-notch waterproof rating, it ensures a clear and stable image, even in extreme conditions. This camera offers flexible installation options to suit your needs. Its adaptable design ensures easy access to your license plate light and door handle, without any obstructions. What we like. This backup camera offers a completely wireless installation, saving you time and effort. It also has a solar-powered battery, extending its life. If you are looking for a hassle-free installation, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera has a wide viewing angle, making it easy to see everything behind the truck. The installation process was straightforward, and the instructions were clear. The image quality is excellent, even in low-light conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.